Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of wooden bathroom crafts design ideas that prove luxury and eco-friendly decor for timeless style. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's fast-paced world where modern living often emphasizes convenience and sleek design, there is a growing movement toward reclaiming a sense of warmth, authenticity, and eco-consciousness within our homes, and nowhere is this more meaningful than in the bathroom, a space that serves as both sanctuary and necessity. The integration of wooden craft accessories into this environment has become more than just an aesthetic choice. It is a statement about balance, sustainability, and the way we choose to live. When wood enters the bathroom, it carries with it the textures of nature, the grounding presence of organic material, and a sense of craftsmanship that connects us back to traditions of making with intention. Unlike mass-produced plastic or cold metal accessories, handmade wooden bathroom pieces hold a certain timelessness, a character that evolves with use, and a charm that feels both contemporary and deeply rooted in history. This dual nature, being at once modern and traditional, makes wooden bathroom accessories universally appealing, fitting seamlessly into minimalist interiors while also warming up contemporary, bold, or even industrial spaces. One of the most striking reasons wooden accessories belong in every modern bathroom is the ability of wood to make the space feel alive. Bathrooms, with their tiles, glass, and metal, often lean toward sterility, creating environments that are practical but lacking in warmth. A soap dish, toothbrush holder, or wooden vanity tray introduces a texture that softens these hard materials, making the bathroom more inviting and personal. The warmth of wood complements the coolness of porcelain or stone, creating harmony rather than stark contrast. For minimalist interiors, a carefully selected wooden piece can serve as the perfect focal point, grounding the design while maintaining the clean lines and uncluttered feel. In more elaborate, contemporary bathrooms, wood tempers extravagance with its earthy presence, ensuring the room feels sophisticated without becoming cold or unapproachable. Equally important is the authenticity that wood brings to a space. In an era when so much of what we buy and use is made from synthetic materials, wood offers honesty. It is tangible evidence of the natural world and of human craft. Every grain pattern is unique, every knot tells a story, and every surface changes subtly with time and use, reminding us of the value of objects that evolve with us rather than those that are discarded after brief utility. This authenticity is not only aesthetic but emotional. People feel differently about an object when they can sense the hand and heart that shaped it. A wooden bathroom accessory is more than decor. It becomes part of the daily ritual, elevating ordinary routines into moments of grounded mindfulness. Beyond aesthetics and emotional connection, wooden bathroom accessories symbolize an alignment with eco-friendly living, a value that resonates strongly with today's modern lifestyles. Sustainability is no longer an afterthought. It has become central to how we design and decorate our homes. Choosing wooden bathroom pieces made from responsibly sourced or reclaimed wood represents a conscious decision to live more thoughtfully. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. These pieces stand as quiet rebellions against the disposable culture that floods our bathrooms with cheap plastics destined for landfills. Instead, a wooden soap holder or towel rack lasts for years, growing more beautiful with use and reminding us of the deeper satisfaction of owning objects that endure. For many homeowners, the choice of wood is not only about personal taste, but also about aligning their living space with their values, turning the bathroom into a subtle expression of environmental responsibility. What makes wooden bathroom accessories particularly compelling in modern design is their versatility. Depending on how they are executed, they can lean minimalist, sleek, geometric, with a simple oil finish, or they can embrace rustic charm, emphasizing natural edges, rough textures, and visible grain. They can appear Scandinavian in their light tones and functional simplicity, or contemporary in darker finishes that create striking contrasts against white walls and ceramic sinks. This flexibility allows them to adapt to virtually any aesthetic, proving that eco-friendly choices don't have to mean compromising style. Instead, they elevate style by giving it depth and resonance, creating a space that feels curated rather than manufactured. For those considering resale value or the long-term impact of design choices, the presence of wooden bathroom accessories has another quiet but real significance. They make a bathroom memorable. When buyers walk into a home, they often focus on kitchens and bathrooms as indicators of quality and taste. A bathroom outfitted with unique wooden pieces suggests intentional design, a homeowner who values both style and sustainability, and a space that has personality beyond the generic. In this way, even small wooden additions can elevate the perception of an entire home, proving that thoughtful, eco-conscious design choices ripple outward into economic value as well as personal satisfaction. The experience of using wood in the bathroom also fosters a sense of continuity between indoor and outdoor living. Wood reminds us of forests, of organic growth, of natural cycles, and placing it in the bathroom blurs the line between constructed interiors and the world outside. This subtle connection can make daily routines, washing, grooming, preparing for the day feel less mechanical and more connected to natural rhythms. In a culture where we are often disconnected from nature, these small reminders woven into the design of our homes are deeply meaningful. They anchor us, providing quiet reassurance and grounding energy in spaces that otherwise risk feeling purely utilitarian. Moreover, wooden bathroom crafts are often handmade, which amplifies their value on a personal and cultural level. Supporting craftsmanship means supporting individuals and communities rather than faceless corporations. Each wooden accessory carries with it the story of its maker, and by incorporating it into the bathroom, homeowners participate in a chain of meaning that extends far beyond function. For the maker, crafting bathroom pieces becomes an avenue of artistic expression and livelihood. For the user, it becomes a daily reminder of human creativity and care. This dynamic transforms a simple toothbrush holder or mirror frame into something more profound, a dialogue between the maker, the material, and the person who uses it. The timelessness of wooden bathroom accessories cannot be overstated. Trends in design come and go, colors shift, materials rise and fall in popularity, but wood has remained a constant, adapting to new aesthetics while retaining its essence. A wooden bathroom piece made today can feel just as relevant decades later, making it a wise investment not just for style, but for durability. Unlike synthetic materials that quickly look dated or degrade, wood ages gracefully, developing patinas that add character and history. In a culture that often chases the new, choosing wood is a way of opting for the enduring, a choice that respects both tradition and the future. Ultimately, every modern bathroom deserves the grounding presence of wooden craft accessories because they combine all the essential elements of meaningful design: authenticity, versatility, sustainability, and emotional resonance. They remind us that design is not just about visual appeal, but about how spaces make us feel, how they reflect our values, and how they connect us to the larger world. Wooden bathroom crafts prove that luxury and eco-consciousness can coexist, that simplicity can be profound, and that even the smallest daily rituals deserve beauty and care. Whether minimalist or contemporary, rustic or sleek, these accessories infuse bathrooms with warmth and purpose, making them not just functional spaces, but sanctuaries that honor both human creativity and the natural world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden bathroom crafts design ideas that prove luxury and eco-friendly decor for timeless style. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.